It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 29th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Very hot temperatures to continue for the foreseeable future. Afternoon highs 115 degrees plus all the way into the weekend here in Phoenix. No relief in sight in the form of monsoon moisture or thunderstorm activity. When might the rain chances come back? How long is the heat going to continue? Let's talk about it first. 115 degrees was our afternoon high yesterday. 90 degrees the morning low. Look at that record high, 121 degrees back in 1995, a day I remember very well. And outside now here at 8:15 a.m., sunny skies out there, and we're sitting at 93 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 48, relative humidity 22%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there right now, 77 is the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 85 in Surprise, 87 on Thompson Peak, 94 in Arcadia, Litchfield, Goodyear, and Avondale, 97 in Scottsdale. The upper air analysis this morning shows you just why it's so hot here across the Southwest. A big dome of high pressure sitting right on top of us, that subsident or sinking air preventing any clouds or thunderstorm activity from forming and helping to continue to dry us out, and that's going to cut off the monsoon moisture for a while. Here's the watch warning map. A number of heat advisories over the Pacific Northwest, flash flood watches in parts of Oklahoma and Arkansas. And here in Arizona and across the Southwest, it's an excessive heat warning in effect for the Phoenix area, as well as many of the surrounding communities all the way up into the Las Vegas Valley. And that is in effect from 10 a.m. this morning through 8 p.m. Saturday, and may need to be extended beyond that. The convective outlook for today, the standard slight risk of severe storms over western Kansas, a marginal risk for a good portion of the western plains, as well as the eastern Great Lakes. And looking at the tropics in the Atlantic Basin, the big story in the weather world is going to be the ultimate evolution of potential tropical cyclone number 9. And the satellite presentation right now shows deeper convection starting to get organized here. A loosely defined center of circulation. They'll be sending in reconnaissance aircraft to take a better look at this so we can get a better handle on where it's going. But right now, the official forecast track from the National Hurricane Center shows the center of circulation close to, if not over, the islands, especially Hispaniola, and it's a very mountainous island, so that's going to help to keep this thing pretty disorganized and sheared apart. Also, it will be encountering some upper shear as it begins to approach Florida, but right now the track brings it somewhere to just north of Tampa Bay by early Monday morning. And you have to keep an eye on these things. We'll see how it goes, but looking at the modeling, first, the tropical models, most of them cluster it over Florida, the peninsula of Florida. And at that point, it looks like it'll be a heavy rain producer. The GFS ensemble brings this right up the east coast of Florida and into the Carolinas. And many of the members actually recurve it out to sea. Again, this is an outlier solution. And the European ensemble, some of the members have it fizzling out over the islands, as we mentioned, over Hispaniola or the Caribbean there. And that's certainly a possibility. Some members bring it up into the eastern Gulf of Mexico. Again, it's just a feature that we have to watch, and once we get a better handle on the center of circulation and the parameters of this feature, we'll have a better idea as to where this is going. All right, precipitation for the next 7 days around here, nothing in the valley, not a whole lot statewide. A very dry weather pattern is taking over, and it's a hot one too, and we'll break it down as we take a look at modeling right now. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our subtropical high sitting right on top of us, upper heights between 594 and 597 decameters. So down at the surface, what you see is what you get. Sunny and hot, highs 112 to 115 today. Tonight, the skies are clear. The air is fairly dry, lows mid-80s to low 90s. Tomorrow, sunny and very hot, highs 113 to 116. And Friday could be the hottest day, upper heights around 597 or 598 decameters, highs 114 to 117 here in Phoenix, and I would not be surprised if the hottest deserts of Southeast California or Southwest Arizona flirted with 120 degrees. All right, as we go into the weekend, the ridge will weaken very slightly. High temperatures might back off a couple of degrees each day for both Saturday and Sunday, but there's no real relief in sight. Temps will still be somewhere between about 110 to 115 in most spots. There could be an isolated thunderstorm along the southern border or in southeast Arizona, but even that doesn't look likely. As we go to Monday, the upper heights come down a little further, but highs will still be pretty close to 110. The sky's sunny. And Tuesday, mostly sunny and continued hot, highs 109 to 112. Here's a week from today, Wednesday, the 5th of August. The ridge is still sitting right on top of us. There could be a little bit more monsoon moisture at this point for isolated thunderstorms over the higher terrain, but nothing here in the valley. And looking at 10 days, this is Friday the 7th. The ridge moves a little bit to the east for more of a southeasterly flow in here. And that could allow some monsoon moisture in for widely scattered thunderstorms over parts of the state, maybe even here in the valley. But this is really far out there, and so the forecast is persistence, hot and mostly dry conditions to continue for the foreseeable future. All right, here's precipitation off the European ensemble. The mean is under 0.2 of an inch, and most of the members show nothing at all here in Phoenix. And temperatures off the national blend of models, it's got us at 113 today, but keep in mind that many models have underdone temperatures in recent days. And so I think we're going to go above guidance for our forecast here, especially due to the very dry air, the unusually dry air for this time of year. And so temperatures may start to trend down next week, but still above normal for as far out as we can see. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. Stay cool. Drink plenty of water. Watch your kids around the swimming pool. And you guys have yourselves a phenomenal Wednesday.